Hey guys, RR Expert here. It's 4 minutes after the 4-hour candle open, and let's see if we can do some trading. I'm gonna do the same stuff that I've been doing in almost all my videos. If you want to learn this, just watch the videos or join the Discord where we teach for free. Let me see. Discord. And I know there's a lot of people watching my videos who just, they comment very stupid stuff, and I'm not even gonna bother, man, with you guys anymore. You guys should believe whatever you want, and I just want to focus on people who want to learn to trade, and that's what we're gonna do here. We're seeing very ugly candles, so I'm not advising you to trade around these hours. But if you don't have any other options, yeah, just watch the videos, learn from them, and if you have questions, you can ask them in the Discord. So let's look for the next one. It's really important to understand that and I mean, a lot of you people, when I talk, this is why I don't really want to engage with a lot of these people anymore, because when you say this price goes up or down, and then they either start laughing, or I don't know, they have these horrendous arguments, instead of price action being a science project, and this is something that people just don't want to understand. People think that, I think with a lot of stuff going on in the world, that everything has to be very complicated. Yeah? And but this should be in your mind first. Price goes up or down, yeah. So instead of this thinking, yeah, I'm not saying this is easy, yeah, but this has to be in your head. And then what you're doing is you're looking at probability, right? Probability, yeah. And so how are you doing this? By using time, confluences, yeah, time. And so I'm trading the opening candle of the 4-hour, and then I'm just gonna look, and I'm gonna keep looking for these small scalps. So what I'm doing here, this is not something you're gonna learn in in a video. You need mentorship for this, and it is free. And it just baffles me, man. Some of you guys, you comment on the videos instead of commenting on the videos and saying all this horrible stuff. Why don't you join the Discord and see for yourself? But I don't know. Stupid people, they will remain stupid. So you look for confluences. Confluences can be millions of things. They're all personal. Yeah? And you look for confirmation. Yeah. So price goes up or down. That's the only thing that you need to know. And again, I don't know how much proof you need. We have people in the Discord who are slowly understanding this now for a few weeks and months. And these people are going to be the successful ones. and not those people who believe in some kind of algorithm. Remember what I said, you see all these wicks here and wicks down, so up and below. It's really hard to trade in these environments. Yeah. So if you're new, don't even touch the charts. When you're seeing this, just go and do something else. And I mean it, like even if you're paper trading, don't even do this. But again, you can look for another asset. Yeah, maybe let's go to gold. Let's see what gold is doing on the higher time frames. Yeah. Okay, so gold doesn't have those wicks, so maybe you want to trade gold. Yeah. So when I'm not seeing anything, yeah, so you might see something now. So if you're watching the video, you might say, "Oh, I should have gone long or short here." That's possible. But if I'm not seeing anything, I'm not entering. Yeah. So markets are really difficult today, But I mean, we did 2 trades. So let's see if we can do at least 3 or maybe 5. Let's focus on 5 trades. And if we have 2 losses in a row, we're just gonna stop. We're just gonna quit. This is so when we talk about confirmation and when you have like these ugly candles, you're not gonna see those beautiful candles that I'm talking about. So let's say this, for example, like this one is a big one, so I would not go short here, obviously. But you see here, like this, like what is this? If it was just one candle, I would have gone long here. But so again, that's why I'm emphasizing only trade these hours if you don't have any other option. But if you can trade New York, like I think like in an hour. Let me see, what's the time now? Yeah, like maybe in an hour, hour and a half when there is more volume. But try to avoid these ones. Let me see. Nah, this one is, yeah, so this is my own fault, so, yeah, so you should not be doing this, yeah, when the stop loss is bigger, but, no problem, my own fault, doing stupid things. It's already 15 seconds in, but it's not showing a candle. Well, let's see what the... As if the markets are stuck, Okay, let's go short here. this is the thing with the price at this time. It just it takes too long, you know. And for those who have been watching my videos, know that I'm kind of impatient, you know. That's why I'm trading on the 15-second charts. So for these kinds of trades, this already takes too long. You know? And I think it's important to understand that don't confuse some of my other models, because I normally teach you to put the stop loss above the last high. So I'm not doing that in these trades. So this is something else that I'm doing. And I think it's important, you know, to go to the basics. Again, I don't want to like make millions of videos about the same subject. I just want to show many other things. There are 3 other things that I'm also able to do in trading, and I'm going to show them later in the future. You know, so you're going to see everything that I know. I'm sharing this for free. But let's at least we got our loss back. Yeah, so we're basically 2 in profit. Let's look for the next one. So as you can see here, you're seeing this consolidation, you know, it looks like the price is ranging. So that does not mean you cannot trade in these environments. But if you're new, don't do this. Yeah, if you're new, stay out of this. You really need to understand this first. Yeah, at least in my experience. I mean, everyone has their own methods. Also, if you look at the prices, I'm always focusing you on important stuff. So look at the price. So see, so it kind of looks like a lot, these candles, but it is not. Yeah? So just you always use the mouse to know how much volume there is. You know, look. But during New York time, you might say that this might be 20, 30 handles. This move. Yeah. So you have to like train your brain. You know, regarding these things. Okay, guys, let's do maybe one more trade, yeah, because otherwise the video is going to get long. And I want you to understand this, yeah. It's not about how many trades you're doing, yeah. Don't fool yourself and saying, oh, I'm going to do 200 a day, $500 a day. It doesn't work like this. This video is the proof of when there is nothing, there is nothing, yeah. And I'm not saying if you're watching this video that there aren't any other entries. I'm not saying that. Everyone has their own way of trading. But I'm saying if you have a model, if you're following your strategy, and if there is nothing, there is nothing. Yeah, I want to show you 50 trades. But if there is no opportunities, you know, don't enter. So let's try to look for one more trade and then, you know, call it a day for today. So let's see if the price does want to go in these areas, maybe want to go down or up, depending on what I'm seeing. Yeah. So, and listen to what I'm saying. Yeah. I'm not saying it's going to grab this and then go down. You have to look in the moment. You have to look live. Yeah. Don't believe these people, you know, saying just mark this, and then if it comes here, enter stop loss above here. It doesn't work like that. Yeah. So wait for the last moment, and that's what we're going to do here for our last trade. Okay, so let's focus. Okay, so we're seeing this up move now. While I was saying I'm going to look for a short maybe, yeah? But now I'm maybe going to say, no, let's not do that, yeah? So this is why I'm saying, looking at this here, basically this is what you should be looking at, not even this, yeah? And this might be a contradiction to what I'm trying to explain to you, but this is where this is now, this what we're seeing here, this is now, yeah? But we're using these things as a means to increase our probability. And if it doesn't do that thing that we have in our mind, you're going to say, okay, I'm going to look for something else. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm going to wait. I'm just going to wait and see if the price does want to move down now and then go short. If it doesn't do that, I'm going to stop the video. Otherwise, the video is just going to get long, and that's not the point of the videos. Okay, guys, I'm going to stop the video because it's not really doing, the things that I'm thinking. If you have questions, join the Discord. If you want to learn this stuff, again, I'm not going to say you're going to become a millionaire or anything. We're just keeping it real, and maybe you're going to come to the conclusion that trading is not for you. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.